Okay, some people are having problems with setting up their headlights on a 47 to 53, and there's no YouTube videos on how to do it. So I figured it out, and I'm gonna go ahead and put one on there for you. So the first piece you have is this bucket right here, and usually that spring right down there at the bottom could be broken. You can buy a replacement, and I did. So I drilled out that little rivet right there, and I put another rivet on. This is just an extra bucket I had. So when you go to put the bucket in, the bucket goes with the hole. I don't know if you can see it. The hole at the top where the wires pass through, and you'll have one clip up here at 12 o'clock, one at 9 o'clock, and then the spring down about 4 to 5 o'clock area, somewhere up in there. So take one of these out so you can see what it looks like. Alright, you can see this little piece right here. Some of them were plastic, some of them were metal, I guess like a lead almost. So you take these, stick them in here with the little prong sticking down, and you just start screwing your adjustment screws in, and that'll keep them in place. Now you take the bucket, not the bucket, the next piece, and you're gonna see your adjustment slots right there and right here, and then these two holes at the bottom. Kind of line it up, and you'll see the spring of mine goes into the top hole. So once I put that one in there, sorry, I'm trying to do everything one-handed, then I slip one of the adjustment screws in. I'm gonna have to pull it out just a little bit at the bottom because the spring is too far in. Okay, got it. Now the other the other screw is in, but the spring is still too far. So I'll pull it out just a little bit, and I'm gonna start screwing those adjustment screws in so that everything is kind of square. You're gonna have to go and adjust the whole thing in the dark. There's videos on YouTube on how to adjust the headlights. Putting a mark on a wall, moving away 20-25 feet or so. I haven't adjusted mine. That's why I didn't mind doing this. So as you can see, everything is somewhat lined up. You can see the slot in the top of the bucket, top of the can that goes to the bucket down below. They're all lined up, and I got new plugs from O'Reilly's. So you take the headlight, plug it in, stick it in there. Now you can see there is a hole right here with the square on the back of the headlight, square on the back of the headlight, and I think there's one down below too, right there. You can see they all line up with those, so now it can't spin. And you take the retaining ring for the headlight and screw it on. Hold on, I'm gonna screw that in place. Okay, I put one of the screws in to hold it in place. You just put the other 2 screws in. One go down there, one go down there. All right, and the next piece is the fancy ring. This is gonna cover everything up. I'm not sure where I put the screw for it. I wasn't ready to install it just yet. So, opposite of this screw is this clip. This clip goes, it's the only one that goes opposite. So, it clips down to the bottom. You can see the little ends are down to the bottom. All the rest of them have the ends at the top. So that one went at 12 o'clock, and you're gonna have one at 3 and 9 that are the 2 clips that are the same, are 3 and 9. Alright, got that one in there. Now I'm gonna put this other one in. That one there, and that one there. Now you got the bottom clip. The bottom clip is kind of long, a little bit different. So this one goes down here and goes around the screw spot. So it goes there and over here. I just got whoop. Sucker jumped out. Nope. Backwards. So that one, and then that one. Okay. Now you see the holder clip, it goes in that little slot right there. So then you just take it and you slide it into that one, and once you slide it into that one all the way, the bottom piece goes and screws to the bottom of the whole piece. Come out of there. Okay. See that little screw spot? That's where the bottom screw goes into. That's why I didn't put it on that one over there, because I was missing that bottom when I'm waiting for it to come in. So, hope that helps y'all out. Thank you.